So jumping right into this tutorial, you can see me parting off the first row of my hair at the back, and I did a pretty big section since they are jumbo braids, so it's not really going to be a lot of braids. So at the back, I'm doing 2 knotless braids, and I'm just putting my hair up right now. And then I already went and gelled the section that I'll be working on. So here I'm parting my hair in 2 with my rat tail comb. And I'm using a cornrow method to feed the hair in. So I just cornrow it twice and then feed a good amount of hair in. And you basically want to make it however thick that you would like it. I wanted mine pretty chunky, so I added in a lot of hair to each section. And I'm just going to flip it around and then braid it all the way down. And as I braid down, y'all, I add jam like as I need it to just make sure that the hair is like as slick as possible. And then at the end, guys, I'm not going to braid it all the way down to the end. I'm going to leave a good amount, and then I'm just going to rubber band right where the braided part meets the part that's out. And then up at the top, guys, I'm going to part my hair around, kind of making the section as thick as the one that I did in the back. And I'm just gonna make sure my hair is parted as straight as possible, y'all. If it's one thing about me is I need my parts straight, like I need them super straight. And then I'm basically just doing the same thing for this section. I'm parting my hair off into large sections as even as possible, and I'm just gonna go around and add my knotless braids and put the rubber bands in at the end. Okay, so I just got done with my last braid, and I'm just gonna take some mousse and put it all over my hair. And then guys, I'm gonna take some flexi rods and I'm just gonna wrap it around the ends of the braids where I left the hair out. And you just want to make sure that it's really secured so it doesn't unravel when you dip them. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and dip them in some hot water, guys. And then I basically just went and did my makeup, and then I let the rods set. So now I'm just taking them down, and as you can see, like, they came out pretty curly. The curl pattern looks really good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Leray inspired braid tutorial. This is my first time kind of doing this style, and like very much my first time doing like braids this short, but I like how the style looks, especially with my little eye makeup that I just attempted to do. It's a little bit stiff though, but hopefully, you know, like it softens up a little bit and like loosens up so, you know, I can like shake my hair. Yeah, but it's very cute, y'all. It's real different than anything that I've done to my hair before. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And if y'all have like any styles that y'all want me to do, then definitely let me know. I think in my next video I'm gonna do like a sew-in hairstyle, so definitely stay tuned for that. And also y'all, check out my new intro and my banner on my page. I got it made. I'll tag the girl's Twitter who made it for me in my description box. And if you guys ever need like any graphics, like any intros or like banners made for your YouTube channel, then definitely reach out to her. She does very good work, and I really like how mine came out. So yeah guys, I'll have her linked in my bio. And don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.